So we have covered the behavior. Let's move on to the conversions. Again, when you have like an e-commerce type of like a Google Analytics, you should be able to see the conversion, but I'm a bit surprised why I don't see it here. So I'm just going to use the goals. I have it. I don't have any data, but I will explain you what you will usually see here. So I'm going to use two example. One, let's say when you have like for example, you're running your e-commerce store. Okay, what is the data you will see here? And then second, maybe like let's say you're running just like some content blog like mine. Okay, so in the first example, I wish we will see the second example, then I will try to identify any old GA which has an e-commerce things for you. So when I have a blog, right, what are the list of goals I wanted to track? The list of goals are like, for example, it's up to me, and also it's varies by business, but one thing I would like to see is that after people reading the article, are they clicking any links? Because when they read article, because I don't have like how do I tell, like a spammy things where I put like different links for people to click. Okay, so it's basically like if they find some really interesting things, then not they say interesting thing, they're looking for some solution, they read it, and then there is a link that tells that okay, you can use this tool, you can use that, blah blah blah. So when they click that, that means my goal is achieved, because that's the thing I want people to achieve. So I could I mean, I won't be able to create goals from mobile, unfortunately. I don't think so. I never try that. No, sorry, I never try that. Yeah, it doesn't have, but it's only available in the desktop solution. So I will share using this example how I create goals. So in this, right, let me change the dimension from instead of event category, I wanted to put event action. This is some custom event I'm tracking. Okay, so you will not be able to see, I mean, you will not be able to get the same thing. Okay, cool, I got it now. So I'm recommending few tools for people to buy. Also, I wanted to I mean, if it's a desktop, I will be able to filter only like the links which people are like clicking in the blog, but just because it's a mobile, I can't do that. So here I see that these are all the items people are like clicking. That's the purpose of that event itself. Again, this is something I'm tracking. This tracking is set up through Google Tag Manager, so maybe you can see the Google Tag Manager to identify how I'm tracking those. But anyway, so I can see here on the last 7 days, people are like reading my blog and then they're clicking this. So if I go to the desktop of my Google Analytics, right, it will allow me to create the goals. In the goals, it will ask me how you want to create the goals. You want to create the goals based on whether people visiting a specific page, or is it like based on any like a behavioral events. Yeah, so I don't know why these things keeps coming. Yeah, so when I set that up, the goals will start to track. So when I can come here and then I can see these things. I mean, like how many people are like clicking the link. So I will put that as a goal, then I will see okay, every day what's my achievement in terms of that goal. So it's some bloggers, they will put like lead submission as a goal as well. So they will track how many people submit the thing. There are some certain blogging tool, when you